Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So in the previous lecture we study uses of urea, and today we are going to study synthetic fertilizers versus organic natural fertilizer. Now let's discuss in details. Synthetic fertilizers versus organic or natural fertilizers. Fertilizers are substances added to soil to improve fertility and plant growth. They are of two main types. First one, synthetic in chemical fertilizer. Second one, organic in natural fertilizers. Now let's discuss both in details. First one, synthetic fertilizers. Synthetic fertilizers are man-made chemical substances produced in industries. Examples: urea, CO into NH2 whole taken to ammonium nitrate, NH4 NO3, superphosphate. Advantages: provide nutrient quickly, increase crop yield rapidly, easy to transport and use. Disadvantages: can pollute soil and water, cause eutrophication, reduce soil fertility over time, may harm microorganisms. Second one, organic or natural fertilizers. Organic fertilizers are natural substances obtained from plant and animal waste. Example: compost, manure, green manure, animal dung. Advantages: improve soil structure, increase water holding capacity, environment friendly, maintain long-term soil fertility. Disadvantages: slow nutrient release, less immediate effect, require large quantities. Key differences between synthetic fertilizers versus organic fertilizers. Property: synthetic fertilizers, organic fertilizers. Now the first property, source. Source of synthetic fertilizer is man-made and source of organic fertilizer is natural. Nutrient supply: synthetic fertilizers are fast, while organic fertilizers have nutrient supply slow. Effect on soil: synthetic fertilizers may damage soil, while organic fertilizers improve soils. Environmental impact: synthetic fertilizers have pollution risk, while organic fertilizers are eco-friendly. Cost: synthetic fertilizers often higher, while organic fertilizer usually cheaper. Synthetic fertilizers versus organic fertilizers, which is better? Both have advantages and disadvantages. Best practice: use balanced combination of both. Avoid excessive use of synthetic fertilizers. Summary of synthetic fertilizer versus organic or natural fertilizers. Synthetic fertilizers are fast acting but may harm environment. Organic fertilizers are eco-friendly but slow. Balanced use is recommended for sustainable agriculture. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on synthetic fertilizers versus organic or natural fertilizers. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.